you were looking for. Pink Pony Club. You have to say hi. It's every video. Look at the camera, not yourself. I actually can't play music anymore. Not because I'll get demonetized, but because now they'll block my videos. I'm not monetized, so it never mattered if I got demonetized. But it does matters that they'll block my videos in other places. Fuck you. My name is Chappell Roan. I'm your favorite artist's favorite artist. I'm your dream girl's dream girl. And I'm gonna serve what you are. I love, that's so iconic. I say that to myself in the mirror every morning. Okay, you're on the squeaky chair. Oh my god, she's so cute. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me high to go. So here's, oh fuck, am I gonna glue my eyebrows? I've never done that. Or at least I've never done it successfully. Okay, if you're gonna sit on that chair, you have to stop moving. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. I don't know what we do here, but you should stick around. You're not like most girls. So today I'm just doing something I want, which means that I have my little earbud in. I'm just gonna be chill, and it might not be that entertaining, but I'm sure gonna just like take my time with it. A lot of the time I feel like I go into these ideas and I just get impatient because it feels like I've now started a task instead of just doing something enjoyable and taking my time with it and doing what I want to do. So today we are going to do Chappell Roan's Coachella makeup. Before starting this, I still didn't know which look I wanted to do, but I think I want to do the day 2 Coachella makeup. This is like the best thing I can find. It's on TikTok. She's so stunning. I just love her to bits. I don't know if I have the right colors. I don't know what I need. I truly just don't. I know that she does like a really like kind of fair face, maybe even like white, I don't know. So I literally went to the dollar store and got some like, what do you call it, like costume makeup vibe stuff, because I'm really fair, but not that fair. So none of my foundations will get me to that level. So I feel like maybe I'll mix them and it'll be okay. I don't know. I don't have any of the right products. I couldn't find rhinestones. We're just winging it. I have this like old makeup palette and it has a lot of pinks and purples. So I feel like I'll be able to get there somehow. We're gonna try, okay? Okay. I've had this new camera for so long and I never had a viewfinder before I had this camera. The fuck? So I still always look in the viewfinder. Well, this isn't a beauty pageant. I also tried to do my hair curlier than usual and like I put a lot of extra work into it and somehow it actually looks less curly than usual and also worse and more flat. So I don't know. I was trying to channel Chappell Roan and it didn't turn out. Glasses are coming off. I've got a literal scab that I picked off this morning because I scratched my face in my sleep. Like, I don't know what it is. It's like a muscle spasm. When I was taking more vitamins, it went away. So I don't know if it's like something that I need that makes my muscles like spasm, but when I sleep, I'll be like sleeping like this or something and then I'll just like scrape my this is too much information, scrape my face and then there'll be like a little slinky of skin under my nails and then I'll be bleeding and I'll know because it hurts so bad and I'll be like, oh, I just did it again. I literally broke skin. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking at a reference. I wish I had a whole butterfly costume, I just don't. See, she looks fair, but not like, it's not gonna be like white. Maybe I'll just start with some foundation. Actually, let's just see what this is all about. Because if it's dreadful, we're just not gonna be able to do it at all. Oh, I broke it. Okay, good. So far, nothing's coming up. Can you see this? Wait. There's no color. Maybe it needs water? There's shit in here. That probably just did something terrible to my immune system. Oh my god, it's like wax. Is it because it's water activated? Can somebody help me? See, I'm gonna actually try for once to make the product of one of my videos look good. And so that means I'm gonna just see what happens with this. Disappeared with a brush. Okay, it definitely repels water. Okay, so I think this is effectively going to do nothing. So we're abandoning the $3 wax thing. I don't know, I'm gonna put a little green color corrector to try and mask my redness so that we can try to look more fair. So unfortunately, my first experience with Chappell Roan has only started since Coachella. I saw the videos and I was like, you're coming home with me. I don't know, I just love her and I'm trying to get my friends into it and they're slowly falling down the rabbit hole with me. I don't think this is fair enough, but it's all I have. I wanted to have the right face. I wanted to have the right face. I'm so upset right now. This isn't the right shade. Just throw a full tantrum on my own channel. This is like fucking not the right fucking shit. I'm pissed off. Even with all this foundation, I'm a little red tomato. Can you actually make this go away? People are like, I'm treating my rosacea. And I'm like, treating it? Bestie, what do you mean treating it? Isn't this just a state of being? Oh, she has a brown lippy. I didn't realize that. I definitely don't have that. It's so hard to try and emulate your idols, you know? I've never really been into camp music, but things are changing. Maybe I just am that white. That's not Chappell Roan. Fuck. Holy fuck. That's the worst thing I could have done to my under eyes. What the fuck is that? What did you do? You can tell I don't do full coverage makeup. I feel like every time I make a video, I just have this like beautiful image of it all going perfectly. And then when something goes wrong, I just feel so disappointed that I give up. Well, back in my house, I got a California king. Okay, maybe it's a twin bed with some roommates. Don't worry, we're cool. Failure. I gotta glue my eyebrows down. Oh my god, this is not going well. Okay, I don't know how to glue my eyebrows down. But am I gonna look up a tutorial? Don't worry, we're cool. Everybody who knows how to glue their eyebrows down is screaming because I'm not looking up a tutorial. Oh, this is already the worst thing I've ever done in my life. Why don't I ever put any work into anything? It would take me 2 minutes to look up how to glue your eyebrows down without them being chunky. And then someone would be like, hey, just don't do that thing you're doing. And I would be like, oh, easy. Okay. Do you see what's happening here? You see this? See what's happening here? You think that's supposed to happen? Do you think so? Shoot another shot, trying to stop the feeling. Powdering it. This is a disaster. Chappell, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Chappell, I'm sorry. I'm fucking up your makeup, Chappell. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is not... I'm actually trying based on what I've seen one time. Why didn't I do this first? I'm so stupid. Why didn't I do this first, you stupid? It's like I don't even have eyebrows. Should I just shave them off? No. Unless? No. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Today is the first day of my new life where I'm not giving up until I succeed. Today I am reborn. Today, I don't give up until my eyebrows disappear. That's the beginning of my rebirth as a person. That's the beginning of my new life. She's no longer Emma. Who's Emma? We don't know Emma. This is discount Chappell Roan. I feel like I need some booze. I need a real drink. I'm pissed the fuck off. We're restarting. Okay, we're restarting. Okay. So now the question is, will I include any of the failure or just pretend that I'm starting now?
Also, if you're a beginner and you're struggling with this, you're not alone. I swear to you, this is like one of the hardest things for me to do. It took me ages.
Girl, you gotta stop squeaking the chair. Oh, okay. Oh my god, my eyebrows are long. What the heck? The true shape of my eyebrows. Bald. Oh my god. Is this right? Or is this psycho? Have we gone too far as a society? You've got to be kidding me. So the chair that I sit at my desk squeaks, and I moved it and I'm sitting in a different chair so that you guys don't have to hear that. But my cat chose to sit in it. Girl, you gotta not do that. Oh? Okay, how does this look, guys? Is this better? You can tell me it looks bad, but you can't tell me it doesn't look better than the first attempt. Bald. You can still totally see them. Well, I'm just gonna say, there's truly nothing I can do about this. If I connect this nose contour into the eyebrow, does it somehow look less terrible? It's okay, Emma. That TikTok girl told me that it's the hardest thing to do ever that exists in the world. I don't wear blush because I have red skin, so I don't even know what to do. Oh my god, what am I doing? Can somebody stop and tell me what I'm doing? Is this side more pink than this side? I wish I could wear blush on a daily basis. It's really so pretty. I'm just too red-skinned to live like that life. I think I need pink, purple cut crease, shimmer. I don't even truly know where to start. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me high to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me high to go. That's too funny. I almost never do these little cut-ins anymore because they're kind of, I don't know, they're like out of style and cringy now, I guess. I don't know. But watching that back, like, I was so serious about what I was talking about, and then, like, Hot to Go possessed me for a moment. It's like I had to do the dance. When Hot to Go comes on, there is only one option, and that is to do the dance. I feel like everybody I admire, all the YouTubers I love, all the celebrities I love, I feel like they'd all hate me to death if they ever met me. I can't quite put my finger on why. This might be the closest thing I have. This is definitely gonna help hide my chunky brows. Guys, who's your celebrity crush right now? I'm crushing on Renee Rapp, Chappell Roan, Han from Stray Kids, probably everybody else that exists. I feel like I already need to update my video where I told you guys who I'm simping for. So in many ways, I'm already feeling disappointed in my skill level at doing this, but also in many ways, I'm kind of seeing it start to come together. I don't want to jinx it, but it's more peachy than it is hot pink, but I actually just don't really have enough options. It's giving black eye. I'm just fully focused. I'm not even saying anything. So I don't know, were you guys doing like drag makeup when everybody was doing that? Because I wasn't. Is this contributing to the YouTube ecosystem? Does anybody know? Oh, you ruined it. I was thinking if I put glue down, I could try and pack on the shadow in the right color, but now it looks weird. I feel like this is a trust the process moment. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Now I have to do it to the other eye too, because if they're gonna be hooked up, they're gonna be hooked up together. Growing up is realizing that you can't do drag-inspired makeup. That's maturing. Maturing is realizing that you can't do anything. Maturing is realizing that everything is hard and none of us have the energy to do any of it, or the time or the money to learn. I'm using a shimmery purple highlighter. Now I'm like, I should have done the other one. I should have done her other look from day one. I'm a fool. This doesn't even look like hers at all. I don't have hot pink. Why don't I have hot pink? Somebody tell me why I don't. Do I have hot pink lipstick? Why is it separated weird? Am I about to make a really big mistake? Oh, that's too red. I'm glad I didn't just put that straight on. Listen, I'm just gonna use it to outline. Okay, time to see if they're sisters or twins. Let me know in the comments when you inevitably roast me. See? It's a little better if I'm blending it out. This is what I intended all along, sillies. Now I'm gonna have to wash literally all my brushes. See, adding the pink now after is like completely fixing it, right? The way I'm actually considering shaving off my eyebrows and doing this every day. The current status update is that it looks nothing like hers. But it's sure fun, isn't it? Do you guys think that when TikTok gets banned in the States that everybody will come back to YouTube, or no? Or is YouTube just dead? What do we all think about that? Do the eyes match? No. Should they? Yes. I want to give up so bad. I'm shaking. I'm like, what have I done? This doesn't look... This... I'm sorry. I'm just sorry to everyone. Maybe the lashes will bring it all together. Like, lashes bring the look together, usually. Maybe lashes can bring this together. I wish I had rhinestones. That's really what this whole thing was missing. I need the fugly jeans songs. Never waste a Friday night on a first date. But there I was in my heels, with my hair straight. A girl like me. I'm gonna do some finishing touches and then we're gonna come back and I'll show you that my eye is watering. If this lash doesn't come off in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna have a primal freak out. Ladies, you know what you need. And so does he. But does it happen? Does it happen? Why'd she start purring all of a sudden? She's like, Mom, you look so good. Cute? Is it a cute look? I don't know because I can't see my viewfinder from that far away. This is the look. I feel like from far away, it's a yes. Not bad. Close up. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? What is this? Why are you purring all of a sudden? I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her. She just saw me. And she was like, that's awesome. You look so good. No, don't lick it up. She loves it. She loves. Hi, my name is Emma Duddy. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. I'm your dream girl's dream girl. And today, I'm gonna serve what you are. A subscriber. Fuck that. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm deleting my channel right now. Holy crap. What the hell was that? Ew, I'm cringing at myself.